soon you're gonna be in TikTok. We just need to getting a system that we can able to stream on TikTok and Instagram. TikTok lover and fan, thank you so much.
Is top coat and done?
Huh?
Is top coat and done?
The top coat, if you are done, then no, I'm putting top coat on and then we're gonna do crystal placement. What do you mean that done?
Gotcha.
He's like, he tells us that, okay, are you done with no crystals? Hello? No, not yet. I'm loving it. I'm gonna show you the kits. If you are, thumbs up and let me know. You wanna see the kits? It's just like everything you need. Literally. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm getting lost in here because they're so beautiful. Right, again. This one's super cute. Let me get this one first. Is any thumbs up? Can you see if any thumbs up for me? Yeah. And then I'm gonna put the beads between the crystal. So best thing to do is you can place this right in the middle. But hey, just for your preference, if you are done, like done, if you don't want any of crystal placement, just need to clear, top coat, and then you send the clients off like on her way. However, if the client's like, oh Nancy, I want some crystal on it, can we do something simple? Sure, here you go. That's your simple designs with some crystal placements. So when I place the little metal beads in there, do not worry, it's going to be everywhere, but we are going to adjust them and place them right next to each other and next on the sides of the crystal. See? It's just for your preference, okay? So if you are like done already, do not want anything else, then you can definitely clear. But I want to add some cute fancy for a lot of you, or have a clients who want some cutie crystals in there. It's really simple. And this little like SS literally come from the glow in the dark crystal kits. As over 9,200 pieces of the crystal. You get like probably of supplies of maybe for years or longer. You're probably getting that kits and you don't have to get another ones for next year. Just kidding, unless you want something else, but it does everything for you. That's why I can use this for you and my clients. Lasts so long. All right, happy with this? Was going to cure for 60 seconds.